Hello from Paseo. We're going on a little ride today. We're going to the beginning of the John Yarborough Lineal Park. Linear with an R. That's where we're going. So without further ado, we're cruising.
Thing or no?
Yeah. Yep, we're gonna go fly the drone. We got a little bit of a cruise going on here. We're gonna go, I'm not even sure how far. It's a ways, let's leave it at that. Maybe 8 miles. Okay, it's a beautiful day, the day after Christmas. Highs in the 80s this afternoon. Gotta watch out for stupid drivers. I have no idea how to make this fence go up. Crystal seemed to think it goes up by going in the middle, but it don't. Thank you. The guard took it up. Okay, we're leaving the Paseo community. We got one little stint here to ride on the road. They are building a bike path down here, but for now, guess what? You get to ride on the road. There's been a couple people mowed over here, so it's definitely worth paying attention. I think I'm gonna get to the Lineal Park with one street crossing. We're cruising along at 14 miles an hour, which is our normal cruising speed. We can go faster. You can see they're building the bike path here. Hopefully they'll get that done in a couple months. But realistically, probably more like a year. I think we waited 2 for this one out here to get done. But once you're on the bike path, you're relatively safe. Morning, thank you. Okay, now we're on Palomino, headed for Daniels. What kind of egg?
Fried chicken egg. Fried egg and chicken.
Looks like we're gonna get a tailwind coming up the parkway.
I know we got a headwind.
Yeah, if we cross right away, we can skip waiting for a light. So we'll see what it looks like when we get up here.
I'm wearing my new bike pants under my regular pants.
How they working out?
Good.
Crystal got new bike pants for Christmas. I should have put my reflectors on, but I forgot. I do have on my neon shirt. Yeah, I know, we forgot to turn them on. We got some strobe lights on the back of the bikes. I'll be turning them on as soon as I gotta wait to cross the street. It's roughly 2 miles to the end. Crystal's riding her truck, Verve Plus 3. And I'm riding my trusty Pedigo 28-inch step-through city commuter.
Coming at us.
Yep, got a walker. People is 1 ding. Bikes are 2 dings. And cars are 3 dings. And Danger Will Robinson is a repeating ding. So if you hear our bells chiming, that's what they mean. Howdy.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah, wearing these under my regular pants was your mom's idea. It was a good idea.
Well, it's a good idea until it's 85 degrees out shortly.
Yeah, that's all right. You can always take a pair off.
Well, that's true. There's a lot of different places to cycle to around here. There's JetBlue Park, which is the Twins. There's Fenway, which is the Red Sox. There's Lake Park. There's John Yarborough Lineal Trail, which is the one we're headed towards. Gonna fly my drone a little bit just to get a different video perspective. It's gonna be chasing us at 12 miles an hour, so we'll have to slow up for it because we do 14. I'm saying we should cross the road here, cross Daniels. We don't actually have to. Of course, when you get up here, it gets all busy. 12 cars coming from every direction. Yeah, tell me about it, because I'm not on the bike path. No idea what fell or what I ran over. That's the Cross Daniels. We should actually go this way, hun. Scoot across. Ignore the sign.